In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete undeletable files in Windows 11 and Windows 10. Sometimes you try to delete a file and Windows tells you that it's in use, or that you don't have permission, or it just refuses to go away. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through several reliable methods to remove those stubborn files safely. Follow along step by step, and you can pause the video at any time to try each method on your own computer. First, always start with the basics. Close any programs that might be using the file. For example, if it's a document or a video, make sure it's not open in a viewer, editor, or media player. Also close any related apps that might be running in the background, like cloud sync tools. Once you've done that, try deleting the file again using the normal delete key or by right-clicking and choosing delete. If that doesn't work, the next thing to try is restarting your computer. A restart clears out background processes that might be locking that file. After your system comes back up, don't open any extra programs yet. Go straight to the file location and try deleting it again. If Windows still refuses, we'll use Task Manager to close whatever is holding on to the file. Right-click the taskbar and open Task Manager. Look through the list of apps and background processes for anything that might be using that file, such as a media player, an editor, or a sync service. Select it and choose End Task. Be careful not to end critical system processes you don't recognize. After closing the likely culprits, return to File Explorer and try deleting the file once more. If the file is still locked, we can use a Safe Mode boot. In Safe Mode, Windows loads with only the essential drivers and services, which often frees up locked files. To do this, open the Start menu. Restart your PC while holding Shift. Then choose Troubleshoot, Advanced Options, and Startup Settings. After your computer restarts into the options screen, select Safe Mode. Once you're in Safe Mode, navigate to the file and try deleting it. When you're done, restart your computer normally. Finally, if permissions are the issue, you may need to take ownership of the file. Right-click the file, go to Properties, then the Security tab, and adjust permissions so your user account has full control. Apply the changes, then try deleting again. By patiently working through these methods, you'll usually be able to remove even the most stubborn files